Hey guys, I'm in love with my lashes and I'm going to show you how I achieve these lashes. I've got no makeup on my face except for my brows drawn in a bit, and I have used the Luxe Lash Lift set. So I purchased this with my own money from Amazon. There was a deal going on. If you purchased one set, you get a second set free, and I have been approved for an Amazon storefront as well, which is so exciting. So I'm going to set that up. I'm going to apply a link to where you can buy this. This is amazing. So let's get into it. Let me show you how I achieve these lashes. The thing to do is to take a cotton bud, a clean one. Make sure that your eyelids are clean and there's no oil on it. So when you apply the glue, it sticks well. You take these silicone lash pads, and it comes in a set of 2. I think there's a couple in there. Oh, there's actually a few in there. So this one it's got this gluey bit on it. So you take that out, peel it off, and then you apply on your clean eyelids just as close as you can to your lid. Yeah, that looks good. Same on the other eyes. This is so you can pull the lashes up and then apply the product on it, the perming product. So the next thing to do is to apply glue to fix your lashes. So it comes with an applicator. There's quite a few in there. This is actually one of the best sets I could see after doing a lot of research, and they want you to use. So it comes with a few of these. Let me have a look. I've never used this before. Ah, yes. So I'm going to use this one here. That's the applicator for the glue. That's the adhesive. So you want to glue it. Now taking the glue, they said to first apply 1 centimeter. So I'm going to start with the inner corner. You don't want to apply it on your lash. And then it doesn't seem to be doing enough with the applicator. Said first 1 centimeter because the glue dries out. So the perm lotion comes in these little sachets, and I've opened it and I forgot to record it. So it looks like this, and you just apply it on the lashes to perm them. I'm just going to give a second coating because I have a lot of product. I haven't glued it well because this is my first attempt. I'm going to come back in 15 minutes. I'm just going to wash all these applicators so they don't have glue on them. So that's 15 minutes up, and then we are going to apply the fix lotion, and it has to sit for about 15 minutes after I apply the fix lotion. Again, this comes in these packets, 3 of them, so you can apply 3 times. And same packets, and with the applicator, it looks like a bluish sort of cream. I just don't want it to go into my eyes, so just being careful about that. So this is the same process as when you perm your hair. So we're going to leave that for 15 minutes. I've applied some cling wrap on it so it stays in place for the 12 minutes. This is outside. Yes, it is outside. My eyes are drying because I can't blink. Anyway, I'll see you guys in about 15 minutes. So 12 minutes up, and that's all the patience I have. The last one you want to apply is the nourishing lotion. So it's quite liquidy. So I have to apply it with my hand. Take it in the back of my hand and apply it with my hand. So because we applied chemicals, I guess this is to make sure that the hair doesn't get damaged. So I'm going to take this off. Now it talks about a cleaning lotion. I don't have it. I'm assuming you were supposed to buy it separately. But I'm just going to use my normal cleaning. Oh, it did take out 3 or 4 of my lashes. So that is the finished look. It took me considerable amount of time to clean that glue out of my eyes. So take home messages, apply very thin coating of the glue. Because this was my first time, I applied quite a few coatings and it was hard to take it off. So I applied just one coat, and if it's not sticking, then don't apply coat over coat, just remove it and apply it again. I think this is great if you have very thin hair, very delicate hair. If you have thick lashes, it may not be as effective as somebody with thin lashes, but overall I think my lashes are lifted. I really had straight lashes. So I'm just going to apply my e.l.f. Lash and Curl and see. I would not apply this quite often because it pulled out 8 lashes of mine, and lashes are slow to grow and I do not want to lose them. Look at that, my lashes look. Yeah, I would say I'd give it a 7 out of 10. Had it not pulled out my lashes, maybe it's my technique, I just need to get better at it, but I'm pretty happy with those lashes.